Alam mo ba yung kinds of sets? Yung finite sets. Ba't yung infinite sets? Joint sets. Tsaka yung disjoint sets. Ay, nako. Yeah. Let's learn sets with Sir GR. Good day, guys. Today, we will talk about kinds of sets. What are kinds of sets? First, finite sets. Finite sets are sets with a defined number of elements. A defined number of elements means that it is countable, or we can count the number of elements. Example, set A equals a set containing the elements A, B, C, D, and E. Elements are countable, right? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 elements. So meaning, the elements are countable. Example number 2. Set L is a set containing the elements 0, 1, 2, and 3. Elements are countable, right? We can count the elements 0 as 1, 1, 2, 3. So meaning, there are 4 elements of set L. The next kinds of set is the infinite sets. Sets with an infinite number of elements. An infinite number of elements means that the number of elements cannot be counted. Example, a set V is a set containing the elements 2, 4, 6, 8, and the 3 dots. The 3 dots, it is called ellipses. It is being added to indicate that there are more elements of the same kind that follows after the last identified element in the set. In set V, there are more even numbers that follows after 8, like 10, 12, 14, and so on. So that is why set V, it is an example of an infinite sets. The third kind of sets, we have the joint sets. Joint sets are sets having at least one common element. For example, we have set D. It's a set containing the elements 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. And set E is a set containing the elements 2, 4, 6, 8, and 9. So the common element of set D and set E is 9. So therefore, set D and set E are joint sets. For example number 2, set A is a set containing the elements A, B, C, D, and E. And set B contains the elements A, E, I, O, U. As you can see, both elements A is in set A, set B. And also, the element E is in A, set A, and in set B. So therefore, set A and set B are joint sets because of their common elements. And the last kind of sets, we have the disjoint sets. Disjoint sets are sets having no common element. For example, W is a set containing the elements A, B, C, and D. And set Y is a set containing the elements 1, 2, 3, and 4. As you can see, no common element because set W consists of the letters and set Y consists of the numbers. So therefore, set W and set Y is called disjoint sets. Example number 2. Set C is a set containing the elements 2, 4, 6, and 8. And set D consists of the elements 1, 3, 5, and 7. As you noticed, that both sets has no common element. So therefore, set C and set D is called disjoint sets. Okay, did you understand? Okay, a quick review. Okay, the kinds of sets are finite sets, which means the sets with defined number of elements. So meaning elements are countable. The second kind of sets, we have the infinite sets. The sets with an infinite number of elements in the present of the symbol ellipsis. And the third one, we have the joint sets. The sets having at least one common element. And the last one, we have disjoint sets. Sets having no common element. Alright, I hope you learned something today. If you like this video, please share and subscribe. And turn on the notification bell to update more videos. Thank you guys, keep safe and God bless.